Hi, I'm Jess, and I'm one of the coaches at CrossFit Renaissance. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what it looks like to get started with our group CrossFit memberships. The first thing that you're going to want to do is schedule a no sweat intro with us. You can do that in a few different ways. If you're on Instagram, go into our bio, click the link, follow to schedule a no sweat intro. If you're on Facebook, the link's below. You can go ahead and click it. And if you want, you can check out our website. We're crossfitrenaissance.com, and you'll find an easy to find button to go ahead and schedule that appointment. No Sweat Intro is normally held at CrossFit Renaissance. You can also schedule it via Zoom, and we'll meet with you for about 30 minutes. What we want to do in this session is learn a little bit more about you and what your goals are so that we can find the programs and services that are going to help you the best way and get you to your goals. Once we decide that CrossFit group classes is the way that we're going to go, you're going to get started with our Onramp program. So for the Onramp program, this is 5 one-on-one sessions with one of our coaches, and we have a few objectives here. We want to give you an introduction to the movements. We want you to hear some of the cues that you may hear once you get into the group classes. You're also going to get to know the coaches a little bit. We'll get to know you. You'll acclimate to the gym and start to look around and see where we keep all of the equipment and weights. And so that when you get into that first group class, you can really hit the ground running. You've seen most of the movements, you have a general idea of what we're looking for, and you can feel a little bit more confident on that day one. So if you have any additional questions, please feel free to DM us. You can also email me. I'm Jessica at CrossFitRenaissance.com. If not, go ahead and schedule that intro. Let's get started moving you towards your goals.